On September 10th, 2025, Charlie Kirk was speaking to about 3,000 students at Utah Valley University in Orem, Utah, during a Prove Me Wrong debate organized by Turning Point USA. While addressing the audience, he was struck by a shot to the neck and was immediately taken to Timpanogos Regional Hospital, where he was pronounced dead later that afternoon. To understand how the media reported the event, we examined several sources. Wikipedia confirms the spelling of Charlie Kirk's name and notes he was shot to death in his neck. Anuher's source highlights the expressions shot to death and injured in his neck. Israel Hayom uses the term assassination, while Yanet the words he was shot in Utah, injured in his neck, and is dead. These keywords reflect the way the incident was covered across different outlets. The search is conducted on the text of the Torah, a Hebrew Bible, which contains 304,805 letters. Each word will appear as an equidistant letter sequence, ELS. The table comes from a code cylinder with 8,526 columns and covers an area of 560 letters, consisting of 28 columns by 20 rows. The word Charlie is found by skipping 8,526 letters and thus appears vertically, while the other main keyword Kirk appears at skip 17,056 next to it in blue, as indicated in the title. Charlie Kirk was shot, injured, in his neck. Assassination. It is noted that the expression threat and snare in green appears as an extension of the word Charlie, as given by the code. In addition to their close proximity, a precise organization is observed. All words associated with Charlie appear at the same skip, oriented in the same direction, with the expression in his neck closely linked to the word assassination. To evaluate statistical significance, the Monte Carlo simulation method is applied to 300,000 control texts generated according to the ELS random placement text population model. 4 words are selected: Kirk, injured, in his neck, and assassination. For each control text, we check whether the 4 words appear vertically, regardless of the spacing between the letters, positive or negative, within an area smaller than or equal to that of the Torah table. The probability is estimated to be less than 1 in 15,000. This is Ask the Torah Code, your window into the hidden dimension.